Yeah, I have. I'm basically from Kerala, and my parents. We are from a middle class family. After my graduation in Kerala, I landed in Pune to do my post graduation in symbiosis. Yeah, see, what happened was when I had joined, and in fact, I had when we were filling the forms for this Provident Fund nomination and gratuity nomination and superannuation nomination, etc. That was the time when some of my colleagues in HR told me that besides all of this, there should be some savings that you do from the point of view of long-term savings, etc. And that was the time when we were talking about, at those times, this was 25 years back, the safest bet used to be LIC and the policies, life insurance policies which were there. And the natural suggestion was to have Ram, who was there and who was a known entity in the whole of Forbes Marshall. And I knew that a lot many people were taking policies through him, and that's how first we approached him, and then we slowly got into Ram's hands, and that's how the whole thing changed.
I don't know about the other consultant, but Ram Nair is like more of a friend to us. And one more thing is that recently, with the thanks to this WhatsApp photo, we can say the bonding is so like that other ladies we have formed one group. Ram Nair has formed one WhatsApp group also. In that all our ladies, we are all different. Though we have not met, but we are connected because of Ram Nair. So that platinum group, he has given that name and all. So that if anything is there for my birthday also, he calls me, so he is the first person to call. So that way also, it's a long bonding. That's what I can say.
And it runs in a very matured way, and Ram follows it. And even if you don't get a reminder from LIC, you can be rest assured that you will get a reminder from Ram with respect to any kind of premium payments or something getting matured, etc., etc. I think that has been extremely professional, and he continues to do so. And it is important that rather than having just a consultant, it is important to have a consultant who really knows what you need and what kind of policy or what kind of insurance policy is that what you need to go into and get into, or what kind of a portfolio you need to create. And that's where I think very strongly Ram makes a difference, basically because he knows precisely what the needs are.
The only thing is that though he is so successful, he becomes so successful by the grace of God, he is still grounded.
All the very best. And I'm happy to be associated with somebody like Ram and his team.